Hey guys, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this cool headband just by using an old t-shirt since we have a lot of time now, so why not give it a try. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
First, to begin with, you'll require an old t-shirt. I've cut the bottom stitch. Then you need to fold the t-shirt into half. Then measure 1.5 inches and cut 3 strips of 1.5 inches each. Once you're done cutting, the strips will look something like this. Then take each strip and stretch it so that it curls towards the inside. You can see the difference between the curled and the uncurled strips. Do the same for all the 3 strips. Now gather all the 3 strips together and cut the ends on both the sides. Now you have got 6 strips. Now make 2 pairs of 3 strips each, just like this. Now take the first pair of 3 strips and place it in the form of a loop, just like this. And then take one more pair of 3 strips each and place it on the loop in the form of a U shape. Now take one end of the loop and place it on top of the U. Now take one end of the U and place it under the loop. Now take the other end of the U and place it over the loop and under the other side of the U. Do this step carefully. Now pull all the 4 ends one by one, slowly. Now you can see the design that's being formed. Now take the same t-shirt and cut a rectangle of 3.5 inches in breadth and 4 inches in length. And cut 2 strips of 1.5 inches each, and then pull it so that it curls towards the inside. Now take the band that you've already done. I've already measured it, placing it on my head. Don't worry if the headband is a little small when you place it around your head, because it will stretch later. Now place the strip where you have measured. Now with the help of a glue gun, stick the strip. Do the same on both the ends. Now cut the excess off. Now take the rectangular piece that you have already cut. Fold the 2 ends of the rectangular piece just like this. Now we will need to stick the 2 ends of the band on the rectangular strip with the help of a glue gun. Now stick the other 2 ends of the rectangle towards the inside with the help of a glue gun. Now your headband is ready.
So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. And also let me know in the comments below what you want to see in my next video. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Carol__Alisha. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.